Hello everyone, so summer in Rome sounds like an amazing idea, and it is, but it gets very hot. So in this video we will give you some tips on how to survive the heat and make the most out of your vacations in the Eternal City.
Let's talk about coffee. When it's so hot out there, the first thing you think about is iced coffee. But the surprise, in Italy there is no such a thing as an iced coffee. You will enter the bar and you will never find an iced coffee. But I have a solution for you. Italians have their own iced coffee, which is called shakerato. Espresso, sugar and ice shaked like a cocktail in a fancy glass like this. That's refreshing. Or if you want to stick with a cappuccino and have a milky option of the coffee, you can ask for the cappuccino hot version and ask ice separately and just by yourself add the ice to the cappuccino. So remember guys, if you want to cool down in a bar with the AC or in a shadow and you want to order iced coffee, you should ask for the shakerato or the cappuccino with the ice.
But by 11 or 12 things start to get really hot guys, like you won't believe it. So this is your sign to disappear, not into the shadows, but into a cooking class. This is the best time to do one of the best activities in the city, which is a cooking class. You will have AC guys, which is some of the most important things for this heat. You will learn how to make pasta, tiramisu, you will get different Spritz, which is super refreshing, meet new people, and most importantly, eat delicious food. So if you are trying to run away from the heat, I would recommend you this activity.
Around 2 or 3 p.m. after you've done all your indoor activities like cooking class or the lunch, you have 2 options. First option is be like a proper Italian, go home and take a nap, proper siesta. Or the second option, if you are in the mood to explore more and you have power, are churches. Roman churches inside have a perfect temperature to sit, relax, and at the same time to explore some cultural moments. And remember, you can see Caravaggio and Michelangelo totally for free in Roman churches.
If you are feeling like more chill, you want some greenery, some nature, I would recommend you to visit the parks in Rome. It's an amazing activity. Rome is known because of its huge amount of parks. One of the most famous ones is Villa Borghese, which is a huge place where you can chill, you can find some trees, you can make a picnic. This is my favorite activity in Rome, to be honest. You can even watch the sunset from there because you get one of the most amazing views of the city. It's very close to the center, so you can visit other tourist attractions such as Piazza del Popolo or Via del Corso or Spanish Steps. So you won't regret this decision. It's a great way to escape the heat because you can rent a boat on the lake, you can rent a bike, or you just wait until the sun sets and continue your trip around the city.
And when sun went down and you had a little bit of rest, we recommend you to go back to the city and explore it by night. Rome by night is one of the most beautiful things you can and you should do while you're gonna be in Rome. And we can recommend you to do it in the best way. To see all the sightseeing and even learn more about history of Rome is to join one of our walking tours, evening walking tour. Trevi, Pantheon, Piazza Navona by night is one of the most magical things you can see in Rome. And walking in the evening, you have no sun, no heat, a little bit of fresh air, and which is most important, no crowds. So here are the main recommendations to survive summer heat in Rome. First and the most important, to wake up really early, around 7 or 8. Second one is by midday to go to the cooking class with an AC and learn how to cook and eat some good food. Another recommendation is after lunch, take a power nap, or how we call it in Italy, pisolino, or go ahead if you have some more power left and explore churches, because it's a free museums in Rome and they have a really good temperature inside. Another perfect activity during this heat is to go to one of the most beautiful parks of Rome, such as Villa Borghese or Villa Pamphili. There you can rent a bike or rent a boat and enjoy your day. And the most important recommendation I can give you is to explore Rome by night. It's not only magical and there are no people, no heat, but you can still do all the historical activities by joining our evening walking tours. An extra tip for you is to bring your own bottle of water, because Rome is full of fontanella, which is a little fountains with a drinkable water. So don't forget to bring your bottle of water and stay hydrated all your trip in Rome. That's it for today, and if you want to know more about Rome and how to organize your perfect trip, like and follow us. And don't forget to put your notifications on and write in the comments what do you want to know about Rome. Ciao!